guys, welcome back to my channel. I just want to show you guys today the weather is very cold and it's a thunderstorm weather warning. So I just finished my work and cleaning my car. It's full of snow as you guys can see here. Oh my god, winter here in Canada is the worst. Look at this. I almost cleaned my car. So hard, oh my gosh. I'm just missing my husband. At home my husband always clean my car. Oh my gosh, it's so cold, guys. Okay, almost done. Okay, almost done. Okay, very important, I have to clean this mirror so I can't see the visibility clearly, right? So very important to clear this. Oh my gosh, guys. Full of snow. Okay, I'm just done my car cleaning, so I just keep the car to warm it up. So meantime I can go inside my workplace. Gosh, it's so cold, I'm telling you guys. Oh my god, winter here in Canada is the worst winter. Choo, guys, very cold. I just start my car. Okay guys, heading to home now, finger crossed. Oh my god, I'm so scared to drive, guys. Look at this windy. Okay, so windy, guys. Okay, just inside my car. Thank God I start my car before, so it's not too cold. Okay guys, I hope I reach home safely. Usually from my workplace to home it's take around 20-22 minutes, but today since it's a very bad, so let's see how long it take time. And finger crossed, guys, I'm so scared to drive in this kind of weather, you know. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go, guys, let's go. Okay. So let's put this one more heat and let heat melted this one down. Okay, perfect visibility from the back side. It's not too clear, the snow is melting. Okay guys, I am driving slowly. Oh my gosh, guys, finally I arrived at home. Ben is taking off his car, so I can put my car inside the garage. Okay, putting the car inside the garage. Whenever I come from work, my husband have to take out his car out and put my car inside the garage, because right now we have only one parking, so you have to put my car inside. I'm so happy. Tomorrow is very bad weather, so I don't need to move my car. Hard to do this one. Okay, Finally back to home. Ah.